This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kara Wisely. Waterfront with no monthly fees, no HOA, and not in a 55-plus community. This charming 3-bedroom 2-bath, double-wide mobile home invites you to a boater's paradise with an enclosed boathouse featuring a workshop with storage and plenty of room for cleaning fish. The Deepwater Canal offers easy access to the Harris chain of lakes, boasting year-round fishing opportunities, with great bass fishing in the summer and crappie fishing in the winter. Step inside to a 3-bedrooms, 2-bathroom home with over 1,687 square feet with an open floor plan. The home features a living room and family room with an open kitchen. The split floor plan with bedrooms make it feel very spacious. The home features a laundry room inside the home with a Florida room. Embrace a convenient lifestyle with easy boat rides to waterfront restaurants and a quick drive to shopping, medical facilities, and Orlando's entertainment and theme parks. Call today to schedule a showing and immerse yourself in the tranquility of this waterfront oasis. For more information, review the details below.